Hello all, welcome to part 33 of JavaScript for Beginners series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically show you how to work with numbers in JavaScript. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to explain and demonstrate is the different ways of representing the number literals in JavaScript. There are three different ways, guys, using which you can represent the number literals in JavaScript. That is integer, decimal, and there is another way. That is third way I'm going to demonstrate directly. To demonstrate this, I'll open this Visual Studio Code ID and I'll create a sample JavaScript file, say demo.js. Now here I'll create the first variable, say let a is equal to the first type, that is integer type of number. Okay, integer type of number, let's say 9 I will give. This is integer type of number, guys. Okay, now the second variable I will create and assign that with a second type of number literal, that is decimal type, that is 1.25 is a decimal type of number. Now the third type I'm going to show you, let c is equal to 10e3. What will happen, guys? What is the output? What is the output? What will happen if you print this c? You will get, after 10, 3 zeros will be added, guys. Okay, 0 0 0. That means you will get 10,000 in the output. Let's try this. Console.log of, I'll print a, I'll print b, decimal number I'm printing, and third thing I'm trying to print the variable c also, which is holding this kind of number format. Okay, number literal, which will give you 10,000, guys. After 10, it is going to add 3 zeros, guys. Okay, let's see. Let's run this new terminal and I'll clear this out and say node demo.js. You see 9, 1.25, and finally you got 10,000. These are the different ways of representing the number literals in JavaScript, guys. Now the second thing, guys. So I'll remove all this stuff except this let a is equal to 9. There is another way of representing the same number, guys. Okay, this statement can be represented in a different way. That is, let's say I'll say let b is equal to new number of, okay, number of, you can give some number, guys. Let's say I'll give a number like 3. This is also another way of representing a number, guys, in JavaScript. Okay, it's like you are creating an object for the number class and you are giving that value as 3, guys, integer numerical value as 3. Okay, into the b, 3 is being stored. Now if you print a and b, you'll get the output, that is 9 and 3 will be printed in the output. Console.log of a, console.log of b. Okay, now run this node demo.js. You see number 3 is coming. Okay, number 3 is coming. It's the object format, guys. Okay, this is the object representation of a number. This is the object representation of a number. If you want to convert this object type representation into a general type of number, what you have to do? You have to say b dot value of. Okay, value of, that's it. Let's run this clear node demo.js. You see this time kind of the number got converted into primitive type. Okay, not object type, primitive type number. Okay, so like there are different functions, guys, or predefined methods or functions in JavaScript using which we can convert the object type into the primitive type. Okay, that is value of is something which is converting the object type to the primitive type. Okay, fine. Now similar to that value of, guys, there are other methods also that you can use with numbers. First one is integer. Okay, so what is that integer? I'll tell you. I'll just write down let a is equal to 9, b is equal to 1.25, let c is equal to, I'll give something like Arun Motori. Okay, I'll give something like Arun Motori here. The 3 variables I created. Now if I say console.log of, okay, console.log of number dot is integer, okay, is integer of a. Is this a an integer, guys? Is it an integer number? Yes, definitely. So this will print true, guys. Okay, number dot is integer of a will print 2. So console.log will print true in the output. Now console.log of second type of number, that is decimal number. So if I give that decimal number to this kind of thing, is integer thing, integer of b, you will get false. Why? Because this is not an integer number, guys. This is a decimal number, so you will get false. Third one is not at all a number, so definitely you are going to get false. Okay, console.log of number dot is number of c. This will be definitely false. Only the first one will be true, remaining 2 will be false, guys. Okay, so I'll say clear and say no demo.js. What's the problem? The problem here, guys, I have to write integer, guys. I just wrote number. So let me clear this out and say no demo.js. You see true, false, false. Okay, it's working fine. This is one of the method, predefined method in JavaScript that you can use with numbers. Okay, and there are other methods also like toPrecision, toString, and many more, guys. I'll work with the toPrecision now. So here, guys, there is a variable like b. So what I will do here is I'll say b dot toPrecision. Okay, toPrecision of I'll give 2, guys. Here how many uh, digits are there? 1.25, 3 digits, right? Before decimal 1 digit is there, after decimal 3 things are there, but I am restricting it to 2. What will happen? It should print 1.2, guys. Let's see. 1.2 or 1.3 should be printed. Let's see. Console dot log of toPrecision of 2. Let's run this. No demo.js. See 1.3 because it got round off. The last number got round off to, because it is 5 or greater than 5 means it will round off the previous number to the greatest number. That is 2 will become 3. So that's why you got 1.3, guys. Okay. That is toPrecision, guys. And toString, guys. You already know about toString, guys. I explained about this toString while explaining about typecasting one of the previous sessions. But let me cover again. If, guys, if I say type of A, what will be printed, guys? A is a integer, right? Number will be printed. Okay. The type of this A is number, guys. So let's run this node demo.js. Okay, what happened here? Okay, so there's something wrong. Let's see. Okay, type of is a method and you are passing a variable. So console.log of type of A, type of. Okay, it's not working. Let's see what we can do. Type of. I think this is the thing, right? Type of A should return as something. Let me try again. If not, I will check. Type of A. Okay, so it looks good. No demo.js. Are we getting? Yeah, this time it came, guys. Maybe some spelling typo or something. Okay, maybe I gave the capital O or something. That's why it has not come. That's okay. So number is coming now. But what, guys? Before I mentioned type of A. Okay, before I convert this number into a string, when I say type of A, you got number. But before printing this, if I say A dot toString like this, okay, A dot toString, I'll say let D is equal to, okay, let D is equal to A dot toString, and here if I say type of D, what will come, guys? Now here numerical number is getting converted into a string and getting stored into D, guys. So type of D will definitely print string, guys. Type of D is string. So guys, toString can be used for converting a numerical value to string type value. Okay, so there are a lot of methods, guys, a lot of predefined methods that we can use with numbers, but whatever I felt like which can be used day to day, right, I just try to explain in this session. So that's all about the numbers, guys. Thank you. Bye.